Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your ACER Chromebook Spin 13. To change the wallpaper on your laptop, you have to right-click on any spot of your desktop, empty spot. Either right-click or press two fingers on your trackpad, and after that select Set Wallpaper and Style. And here you'll be able to select the wallpaper as well as the accent colors and the theme for your device. Now, to select a wallpaper, you have to go to the wallpaper menu and then either select the wallpaper from your images from Google Photos or from one of the available categories you can see right here. So after you select a category and then click the photo that you want to set, you'll be able to change the device's wallpaper. If you want to use a slideshow, you use Change Daily feature. And that's pretty much how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.